Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video you'll learn to create a free landing page to build email list in a step-by-step process. I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can follow along and create a free landing page to build your email list. So for this purpose we are going to use this tool that is called System.io, and they have a free plan which you can use for lifelong. If you don't want to use their paid plan, okay, you can use this free plan for lifelong, and you can build an email list of 2000 people for absolutely free, and you can create up to 3 sales funnel which has up to 10 steps. Okay, so you can literally create 3 free landing page in simple words. So now if you haven't signed up to this System.io, then what you can do is you can use the referral link that I have given in the description of this video, and you will be automatically eligible for this full course that I have created, System.io full course, where you learn each and everything in a step-by-step process to do several things inside System.io. Okay, I have shown you from buying domain to integrating that domain to creating business email, creating sales funnel, creating opt-in page. Okay, and everything I have shown inside this free course, which you can get by using the referral link that is in the description of this video. Also, by just using the referral link that is in the description of this video, you'll immediately get all of these policy pages which you can use in your free landing page by just editing this for lifelong. So now, without doing any delay, let's create a free landing page for so that you can build your email list inside System.io. So when you just log into your System.io, then you'll see this kind of dashboard. Okay, once you see this kind of dashboard, simply hover your mouse over funnels and then just click on create. Okay, and give your landing page name. Let's give it my first lander. Okay, and then you can select the domain. Okay, this is a domain that System I have provided you. Okay, let's keep it as it is for now, and click on build an audience, and then click on create, and then click on create. And then select the page. You can see there are lots of templates from which you can select. Okay, so you can select this kind of simple and effective opt-in page. Okay, let's see. Okay, so if you are thinking to give away a free ebook to collect the email list, you can simply click on this and select, and then click on edit. Okay, now if you don't need this, simply click on delete. Okay, if you need to change the text, simply click here and change everything at here. Okay, my free okay, and then if you want to reduce and increase the font size, you can do it from here. Okay, similarly, if you want to change the font, simply select Google font or WebSafe font, and then simply select here and select another font this way. You can also do this bold, medium, okay, whatever you like. In this way you can change things. If you want to decrease the font size, you can do it at here in this way. Okay, you can keep on playing with these things, and let's click on save. So now let's see, here it says desktop only. That was this arrow, I think. Let's see. So this arrow will be shown only in desktop, not in mobile version. Okay, so as you can see, there is a image that has not loaded here. Let me reload it once. Let's see if it appears. Yeah, now what you can do is you can simply click on this setting, okay, here in this yellow, and then you can simply upload another image at here. Okay, and you can reduce and increase the size of this image from here by pulling it in this way. Okay, And once you do some edits, simply click on save changes. So let's say if you want to put an image, and you can simply pull, and you can see there is a dark blue line. Just below that line, this image will be at there, okay, in this way, okay. And you can simply click on setting and click on your upload and upload the image by selecting the file from your device. It's as simple as that. So let's delete. So you can simply edit these things, okay. And then let's see in bottom, okay, it says send form. Let's select here and click on next step URL. Okay, so once these people will fill this form, then they will be, and then click, if they click on this button, then they will go to the thank you page, okay. It simply means that. So once you edit these things, simply click on save changes. So as you can see, there is this system IO batch. To remove that, you can simply click on setting, and sorry, in this affiliation you can simply uncheck it. But I think if you are on free plan, then you cannot remove this badge, okay. For now I'll remove it. And then what you can do is, as you can see, it is saying squeeze page here. What you can do, you can change here my, let's say, first ebook, okay. Now that will appear at here. So let me do preview. Here you can see my first ebook, okay. Now your simple opt-in page will look like this. Now once you have did and all the edits at here, simply click on save changes and click on this exit. Okay, now it's time for you to create this thank you page. I'll simply click on here and let me reload it. If this kind of thing comes, then you can simply reload, okay. And you can see which thank you page would be better for you. So as you can see, here is the thank you page for that ebook one, or you can use any other also, okay. So let's select this one for now, and then you can simply click on this edit. So now again you can change this image from here, okay, by uploading at here. Simply you can delete these things if you don't need, and you can also delete this, or you can delete this whole thing if you don't need it, okay. You can play with these things, or you can write something, okay. Let's say you want to put a button at here, okay. Then what you can do is you can scroll below and pull this button at here. As you can see, dark blue line, you can leave it at there and click on setting, okay. Now what you can do is, you can remove this soft text here, and then you can click here, you can type your text, what you want to type your text. And then what you can do is, you can put these icons if you need before text, okay, an icon before text or after text. So let's put at after text. So let's say you want to put this one, okay. In this way it will appear at here, and once this is finished, simply click on save changes, okay. So let's click on here, and let's say you want to put a URL at here, open URL, okay. And you can put the link that you want. Whenever people click on this bottom, which link you want to be opened, just put that link at here. For now I have kept google.com, and if you want this google.com to open in same window, then you can leave it as it is, or you can click on open in a new window, and it will appear in another window, okay. You can play with these things and simply click on save changes. So once you did this much, then now you can come here, and you can also select this and click on this, and let's say you want to put your privacy policy, then you can put it in this way, okay. Just put the link at here and click on this, and now your privacy policy will be open in another tab. Now if you check this in mobile version, then it will look like this. Now you can edit this, okay. Let's say you think that this gap is too much, then you can simply click on setting, scroll below and see if there is So in bottom there is 10. You can reduce this, okay, so that it appears a little bit above. Simply you can click on here and see in top there is 10. You can decrease the size, okay. In this way you can play with these things, okay. So now once this is done, click on save changes and exit. And then again let's go here and let's check this mobile version of the opt-in page also. Okay, let's see. So in mobile it seems like this. Let's say it's too big, okay, this image is too big, then you can reduce it a little bit in this way and click on save changes. Now it will look like this, okay. So now your free landing page is ready. Now you need to build an email list. So for that you need to create tags, okay. Simply hover your mouse over these contacts and go to tags and click on add new tag, okay. Let's say you want to put my first ebook email list, okay. So now whenever someone sign up to that landing page, opt-in page, and that those emails should be in this list, okay. Now to do so you have created this tag. Now let's go to funnels and let's click on this my first lander, and then yeah, this is the squeeze page, right. You can change your name at here, okay. If you want my first ebook, you can change these names. And then now this is the page where people will submit their email, and once they submit that, then it should go to the tag that we created. So to do so you can hover your mouse over automation rule and click on add rule and click on funnel step form subscribe, okay. Of course when the contact has just subscribed to a form, okay. Simply click on here and then click on add action, and you can click on add a tag, okay. Add a tag and then choose the tag, okay. The tag is my first ebook email list, right. Now simply select it and click on save rule. So now whenever someone visits to this page and put their email address at here, okay, then they will visit to the thank you page and they will be in this email list, okay. Now if you need to send them the email, you can simply come here and click on these newsletters, and then you can simply click on create a newsletter and give this newsletter name my first newsletter. So newsletter simply means one-time email. Then you can select visual editor, classic editor, whatever you want to select, you can select it, okay. Click on create. So and then you can see if you don't need this, you can simply delete it in this way, okay. So if you don't need this image, you can delete it. If you don't need this line, you can delete it, okay. And let's cancel. Let's say you can type here and you can edit this text, okay. If you don't need this extra things, you can simply delete it, okay. Let's delete this, delete it, okay. And you can type your message at here, okay. In this way, whatever things you don't need, simply delete those things, okay, and click on save changes. And then click on exit. Now you can see preview your newsletter at here. Now simply you want to send this email to the email subscriber who have registered over 0 days, okay. Means from today to how much long, it doesn't matter. And you need to select the list that you want to send this email to email newsletter to. Okay, so you want to send it to my first email ebook email list. Okay, simply select it. Okay, and then scroll below, and if you like, if after this hi you want to put their first name, then you can simply copy this, okay, and paste it before hi. Okay, you can also switch to this to the classic editor, okay, and type this email. And now after doing this everything, simply click on save and schedule newsletter, and now scroll below. Okay, now if you want to send this newsletter after some time, like day after tomorrow or in a specific date, then you can select that date and time at your. And if you want to send it immediately, then you can simply click on send, and it will be sent to all of the email that is inside that tag. Okay, my first ebook email list, all of those emails that are inside that tag will receive this newsletter immediately. So guys, it is this much simple to create a landing page inside System.io, free landing page inside System.io, and build your email list and send email newsletter. You can also send them automated email sequence, which I have talked in this System.io full course. I have gone through everything in a step-by-step process where you can learn each and everything. You can simply use the referral link that is in the description of this video, and you'll be eligible to get this course for free. Okay, so this much I wanted to show you in this free video. I hope you like this video. Please do like this video, and if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.